Himsurbi Aroma Museum, Mussoorie, organizes the first international unique seminar on forest aromas in Indian national perfumery, the Sustainable Way Forward, from 22nd May to 24th May 2000, bringing researchers from varying fields of ethnobotany, chemistry, history, archaeology, and tissue culturists from the world over. The biodiversity of the Himalayan region ushers ecstasy in its realm, which is many a times unparalleled. I express my humble gratitude to all those who have assembled here on this platform of Himsurbi Aroma Museum to delve deeply into the concept of seed to skin for human wellness. These intellectuals meet here to delve deeply into the past so that we can make amends for a sustainable future. To consider the use of gifts of nature from the wild in our cosmetics and our daily use items. In particular, the traditional Indian perfumery known as attar or ikra. मिट्टी का अत्तर है हमारी अमानत. ऑस्ट्रेलियन साइंटिस्ट ने हमें चुनौती तो दी जियोस्मिन कंपाउंड बनाकर 1964 में, बट मिट्टी का अत्तर है हमारी विरासत.
इत्र मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसे ऐसे इत्र भी बनते हैं, इतनी छोटी छोटी शीशियाँ. एंड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अ लॉट. मैम ने जो थीसिस करी है, एफआरआई से कनेक्शन है, ऑनरेबल मैम से हमारी मैम के जो लास्ट 3-4 इयर्स में डिस्कशन हुए हैं, तो मैं वाकई में सरप्राइज रह गया कि यस, हम एक एनजीओ के तौर पे फॉर लास्ट 25 इयर्स वर्किंग इन लाइवलीहुड एंड ऑल अदर थिंग, बट ये वाला पार्ट हमने छोड़ दिया. This is also important.
Deep in the forest, beautiful red flowers bloom. Rhododendron, it is a mystical fume. With petals so soft and hues so bold, a treasure trove of health is untold. Rich in antioxidants, it reigns supreme, boasting immunity like a dream. In squash we mix their essence pure, nature's gift forever to endure. Sip the exhalate from the flower's embrace, nourish your body in nature grace. In every drop, a story unfurls of rhododendron, magic in nature pearls.
You might wonder, the chamomile of the river along the river Ganga is very healthy, the petals are very thick, and the aroma is very earthen type of. Jyoti ma'am will tell more about that. And the main problem about, we have the farmers, they are courageous enough, they are laborious enough to grow and to experiment on different crops, aromatic or medicine.
So here's some of the pieces in Hinduism. So this is the god of love, Kama, in Hinduism. You can see at the end of his arrow, one of his flower petals is jasmine.
What are the consumer preferences based on the gender, the income level, the category in which they operate, the geographical locations, basically the demographic studies. And based on that, you'll be able to have something in mind as to how should I position my product.
परफ्यूम ही इत्र है, लेकिन जो उसमें हम लोग नेचुरल जो आइटम्स यूज़ करके बनाते हैं, नेचुरल जो चीज़ें डालते हैं, जस्ट लाइक संदल के बेस पे बहुत से आइटम बनाते हैं हम लोग। तो जैसे इसमें संदल का बेस रहेगा, इसके अंदर हमारे भपका के अंदर ये डेग है, ये फ्लावर्स डाल रखे हैं, और इसमें अभी हम इस कपूर की पत्तियाँ और डालेंगे।
ये स्पेसिफिकली हम लोग फॉरेस्ट के और हिल्स के अरोमास डाल रहे हैं। तो जो हमारा अतर अब निकलेगा वो प्लेन्स के मटेरियल से नहीं निकलेगा। So the material that we are using in making this atar by Dhirendra ji is specifically to commemorate today's date, because our seminar is on forest aromas and how it can be used in traditional Indian perfumery, which is atars. So we also have Dhirendra ji being joined by Dr. Barve.
ये डेग है, इसमें डेग में पानी पड़ा हुआ है, और साथ में हम इसमें डाल रहे हैं कपूर की पत्तियाँ, लीफ, कैंपर ऑयल की लीफ डाल रहे हैं, इसको डालेंगे इसमें। ऐसे इसमें बहुत खुशबू अच्छी आ रही है। ये वो अच्छा पेन ऑयल भी होता है मैम ये।
So we are going to get started with a little song that we had made about our venture, not now, during Corona days, about 5 years back. And there were these young girls who had started working with us.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि इनॉग्रेशन के बाद आप लोग आए, स्कॉलर्स आए हैं, आप लोग बहुत सारे हमारे एक्सपीरियंस लोग, न्यू जनरेशन, यंग जनरेशन आने वाले समय में यहाँ पे आते रहेंगे समय समय पर। और उसके साथ साथ सिर्फ आना ही एक ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है, मिशन नहीं है। आकर हम अपने एरिया में जाएं, एरोमा के बारे में, नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में, कैसे हम उसे बनाएं और उसका यूज करें और उसको लिंक करें एसएचजी के द्वारा, फार्मर्स के द्वारा, कम्युनिटी के द्वारा।
हिमसुरभि बनी हमारी पहचान, कोरोना ने सिखाया प्रकृति का मोल। मैं इनकी संस्था की इंटर्न 2020 में ठहरी जिंदगी, सहमी जिंदगी, कोरोना ने की ऐसी हमारी जिंदगी। हमारी राह घूम गई किताबों से थोड़ा हटकर, हमने प्रकृति से जुड़ने का निश्चय किया। इस राह पर चली अलाइना, अंजलि, सोफिया, याचना, रीमा और मैं। 2018 में ईशपाल, डोईवाला और सीता का योगदान कुछ कम नहीं था। उतना ही श्रेय मुंबई विश्वविद्यालय के गायत्री, शिवम, संकल्प और अजय का था, जिन्होंने दुगल विला मसूरी में रोमन कैमोमाइल के पौधों का रोपण डोईवाला के ईश फार्म में अपने हाथों से किया।
20 साल लगा था श्रीनगर में लैवेंडर होना। It took them 20 years to really come to a point that okay, this is the area we can allocate जहाँ पे हमारा डोडा शोडा एरिया में जो आसपास है वहाँ पे meadowland चाहिए उसको। Lavender needs meadowland. We are also doing the same. We are going on experimenting and trying to see which area we can really, and we got support from Mr. Ramesh Wazir from Kelkar. What a man he is! I mean, I was so impressed by him.
I would say it's a multidisciplinary international seminar. Why do I say multidisciplinary? Because we have received papers from experts in different fields. So whether it's botanist, chemistry, or historians, then you have agriculturists, you have scientists, and you have people from management as such. So you have different fields coming. So that's why it's a multidisciplinary seminar, and I feel the purpose of any seminar should be that interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary.
Atar production is a sustainable practice. When we talk in terms of the sustainability, हम लोग आज ऐसे एरा में जी रहे हैं जहाँ पे comforts and conveniences बहुत हैं, but we have ignored our nature. So whatever we do, this is our duty. It should follow the principle of sustainable practices.
Our perfume containers do not allow perfume to evaporate as much other container would have. Of course, today we have artificial containers which are made of metals or glass or whatever it is.
Let me talk to you, like when we talk about travel, we are concerned only about France, isn't it? French, from like Paris. Yes, you take it and then you pay whatever price you are, whatever price, like Chanel perfume which is there, small bottle of 100 milligram cost $200.
There was a medical college. In each Vaishnava temples, there are medical colleges referred in the inscriptions. See, one college is called as Tanjavur Chundra Chola Binnagara Aduna Sale. The medical college is called as Aduna Sale. Medical college as well as the hospital.
And yes, come to Durga Manasa Stotra, and specifically this slide, referring to this plan, to this store. Next, Agavati. You just see. Manji, Gokul, Chandana, Garu, Vajah, Karpur, Shari, a number of flowers have been mentioned in this stotra, which are offered to Goddess Durga and other goddesses.
In vitro propagation, it is very difficult to grow this plant. Plants are growing, but since age old, the plants are depleted. In scrupulous cutting of this plant is being done, plants are exported out, those are even getting extracted, and the plant population is dying. That plant population to restore, we are resorting to in vitro population. This is, I am presenting a patented protocol.
Eucalyptus basically plain area की species है. ये hills में बहुत कम होती है, देहरादून के एरिया में होती है. But if you will go to the UP side, बिहार में भी I think है ना? And यहाँ
साउथ में भी है.
साउथ में भी. वहाँ पे white eucalyptus. white eucalyptus है, उसकी सारी importance है. But ये इस वाले एरिया में अगर मसूरी वाले एरिया में find out करेंगे it is not. Because ये एरिया की species है, ये plain area की species है, eucalyptus.
My idea is to just call you all for the support of this the Uttarakhand thing, so that we can help the rural people over here, because many of the big rivers like river Ganga and Yamuna both are originating from here, and right from the stream, because of unscrupulous growth and development, we are polluting the rivers.
Hats off to each and every participant over here for your really brilliant contribution, and certainly I'm sure thanks to Jyoti Mara for taking this initiative.
So I would say that this particular seminar has been a pathbreaker. I would certainly say that some such seminars where you have got the relationship with nature.
That's something which I want. It should continue with the younger generation.
It is lovely to note that we all are rising to help our nature, help our country grow through this. So I will also try to see wherever I can support this movement.
Now from here onwards, we are like a messenger and like a honeybee or like a butterfly and or like a flower that we will be spreading beautiful fragrances around the world and wherever we live.